Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video I just want to go over some of the benefits of letting your plants go to seed. Some might call it lazy gardening, or I like to think of it as strategic efficiency. So last year I didn't think I was going to have time to spend in the garden since I was involved with the land development project. So I basically let everything go to seed and thinking it was kind of take care of itself a bit and whatever grew would just be a bonus. But now that I left the project and I'm here full time, I got some interesting volunteers to interact with. So we got lettuce, beets, radishes, kale, peas, and a whole host of wildflowers that are starting to pop up now and demonstrating some interesting evolution. So let's see what we got. The two philosophies you can go with are low maintenance, low production, or high maintenance and high production. So depending on your space limitations or your time constraints, one strategy might work better than the other. Now, obviously some plants have way more volume of seeds than others, like lettuce and kale definitely have tons more seed than, say, radishes and peas. Beets are pretty high volume of seeds, and also they might not always get sown in a convenient place. So here we got a lettuce, a couple kale plants that I did not plant. I got Ozzy foraging for last year's carrots. We got radishes coming in here. Random pea plants, of course. And now this is just getting started, so there's obviously hundreds of seeds have dropped in the ground and they're just starting to come up. So you can see here's a little dispersal of lettuce. And another interesting little observation is this bird feeder with just kind of the generic bird seed. So now we got sunflower plants just popping up out of the ground, which is a bit of a bonus. Here we got some more lettuce. Random potato plants just keep coming back, and we'll see if they actually produce anything of note. And again, another volunteer pea plant. So the benefit of, obviously, is you don't have to worry about planting or seeding or getting it out at the right time. They're just going to grow when the conditions warrant it. And they also will be better adapted to the climate. That's always the plus of harvesting your own seed, as each year they will get better and better adapted to your climate. And yeah, here we go. Some more lettuce and a sea of chickweed, which, if you're not familiar, is one of the great nutrient-dense wild edibles found worldwide now. Also great chicken feed. And some more lettuce. So this is just the start. Oh, here we go. Somewhat inconvenient volunteer kale plant right there. Here we got some volunteer beet plant amongst some kales, cauliflowers, and cabbages. And right, I missed this the first time around, so it's another quite interesting guild here. We got calendula, beet, and lettuce, so definitely not something you would find or think about putting together, but everything looks like they're going well. And here you can have another little lettuce popping up. So lettuce definitely is going to be, there we go, lettuce, potato, interesting. All right, so just a quick little demonstration of the potential advantages of letting your plants go to seed, go wild can be a good strategy, particularly if you have extra space or difficult areas you don't really want to work in. And might not be the best if you really need to maximize all the production in a small space, but it's definitely falls into the low maintenance, low effort, but low production, lazy gardening / strategic efficiency. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Maybe consider trialing it for yourselves. If you're in need of some conversation starting permaculture t-shirts or permaculture consultation and design, sometimes just a half-hour video chat is enough to answer your questions, confirm you're on the right path, or set you off on a path towards abundance. So all links for that will be below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.